Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley, or you guys call me Pretty Shay. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to do a nice fall eye look because I haven't done that in a while. I'm always doing like summer, spring, bright color look. So today's tutorial, I'm going to use the 420 Milk Cosmetics. It's the new one that just came out. Oh yeah, I like my nails, y'all. My niece did my nails. These are press-on nails. It's real cute. It's all colorful. Anyways, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Milk Cosmetics. It's called 420. They have all the nice, fall colors in here. They even have the leaves on the eyeshadows. I really love their eyeshadow palette because it's very pigmented. So you guys, please, if you guys want to purchase it, just check that out. It's in Sephora. Yes, so if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Always tell people about my channel, tell your people about it. Let them know I'm here, okay? Anyways, like, comment down below. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can be up to date with my videos. I do, trial hauls, I do makeup tutorials, vlogs. Just make sure you guys click on the notification bell. And you guys want to see how I, achieve this look, just keep on watching.